guys, we're at the Bowery here in downtown Ottawa. Honestly, one of my favorite condo buildings in the city, and we got a phenomenal rental opportunity for you. We got a 1-bedroom plus nook, 1-bathroom condo unit with phenomenal views literally anywhere you are in this building. And in your rent, you got so much included. You got heat, you got water, you got access to all the amenities, and as a bonus, we're even throwing in internet. Come check it out. This is 255 Bay Street, Unit 1109.